Okay, everything went great in the videos, and everything that was needed was there. Excellent. So, yep, keep doing that. Very, very good. So now we're adding in a scale shape. So now we're going to have 4 to play on the camera. So adding in this guy here. So that means we've got to play this next week. Okay, so let's get into. I just realized I have number 2 open, and I'm talking about this and not number 1. We're going backwards today. Let's just keep going. I know what I did. I was setting this stuff up, and I had number 2 up on instead of number 1, and then I hit record, and I looked on the screen, so I just went with it. Anyway, all right. So the lead. Let's play the lead 60 to start off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can do it at 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now the power chords. So a real good thing to do, if you haven't done so already, to help you memorize all these chords, or the names of the chords, every time you strum it, say it. Say the name of the chord as you play it. It'll be really, really helpful, so this way you can quickly recall things as we get more in depth with all the theory stuff. Alright, 60 for the chords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can do it at 120 as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, E5. E5, 2, 3, 4. E5, 2, 3, 4, E5. Okay, so this one. So here we go, back to 60, saying the chord name. 1, 2, 3, 4. Three, 4, E minor. 2, 3, switch the chord, E minor. E minor, 120 coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, since this is the new part, and I'll just highlight the lead for now, learn this first before you add anything else. So start getting this down, feel good with that. Starting here, when that's feeling good and solid, then start here at the second shape and then work your way down. And hopefully that'll end up being the easiest thing, and it doesn't require much effort at all just to start. So we got the same rhythm throughout this entire thing, but the rhythm pattern goes across 2 bars. Out 2 different ways. So here we got your eighth note tied to an eighth note, which is quarter note long. So basically eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter note, eighth note, quarter note. It's tied across the bar. 8 quarter. Throughout this, we keep changing, or we keep going with the strumming, going down, up, down. So it switches between those. Quarter note. For one line, then we switch the chords. So hopefully by the time you get here, you're feeling pretty comfortable with that rhythm. So let's start it off at the 60. Two, 3, and 4. 1 and 3, 4 and 2. Let's go to the because that ending involves changing chords each bar. If you need to, God. Okay, it's on again. I'm going to end the video now. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to check this and make sure everything actually recorded. See you in your new videos.